Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is gonna be our video number 35 of the series. And here is our question, that is, write a simple implementation of the classic game, that is rock, paper and scissor in Python. So let's see how we can create a simple rock, paper, scissor game in Python. So I have already created a file. Let's import the random module, okay? And we'll create a function, and we know how to create a function. Rock, paper, scissor, colon, and we'll write a variable called options equal to, and in a list we'll define these terms, that is paper, rock and scissors. Okay, now we'll create another variable, that is user choice equal to none, while user choice is not in options. We'll ask the input from the user. Enter your choice, paper, rock, scissor, and we'll use the lower method. So if the user type the P capital or R capital, so the lower method will convert that to the lower case. Okay, now we'll create another variable, that is computer choice equal to random dot choice options. Okay, we have to provide the options, and we'll print you chose, and we'll write the user choice variable, user choice, and the computer chose, and we have to write the computer choice variable. Okay, whatever the computer select the option, okay, maybe the rock or paper or scissor, so it will display here. Now let's start our condition. If user choice is equal to computer choice, we will print it's a draw, and we'll use elif to check other condition. If user choice is equal to paper and computer choice is equal to rock, okay, I'm sorry, print you win. Okay, we have to check another condition. Elif user choice is equal to scissors and computer choice is equal to paper, print you win. Elif user choice is equal to rock and computer choice is equal to scissors, that means we win. Else print. Okay, so what happened here, we are checking the condition, that is if the user choice is equal to the computer choice. Okay, if we both select the paper, so that means it's a draw. Okay, and if we select the paper and the computer select the rock, okay, that means we win, because this is how the rock, paper, scissor game work. If we select the scissors and the computer select the paper, that means we win. And same with the rock and scissor, like if we select the rock and computer select the scissor, that means we win. Okay, and else we lose. So let's call our function. So I believe we have watched the Doraemon cartoon. So in that cartoon they play this game, rock, paper, scissor, and we are writing the exact same game in our Python language. Okay, let's call our function, that is rock, paper, scissor. We are calling the function here. Cool. Okay, so let's run the code. Let's start with rock. It's a draw. Okay, let's run the code again. Let's write scissors. Okay, you win. Cool. You chose scissors and the computer chose paper. Okay. Let's write paper. Okay, it's a draw. Rock. You lose. I have choose the rock and the computer chose the paper, so I lose basically. Let's run the code again. Actually, I'm enjoying doing this. Paper. You lose. Okay, I want to win now. Okay. Scissors. You win. Yeah, so we win, guys. So this is a very simple rock, paper, scissors game we have created in Python. Just give it a try and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.